Sleep, stress and longevity, the crucial links unveiled by scientific research. As we age, the intricate interplay between sleep quality, stress management and longevity becomes increasingly evident. Scientific research has delved into the profound impact of these factors on the aging process, revealing a complex web of connections that significantly influence overall health and lifespan. 1. The science of sleep and aging. Unpacking the sleep-longevity connection. Scientific studies consistently show that the quality of sleep is a key determinant of healthy aging. Adequate and restorative sleep is associated with a myriad of physiological processes that contribute to overall well-being. During deep sleep, the body engages in crucial repair and regeneration, influencing cellular maintenance and immune system function. Sleep and cognitive health. The relationship between sleep and cognitive function is a focal point of research on aging. Poor sleep has been linked to cognitive decline, memory issues, and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Understanding the mechanisms by which sleep supports brain health provides insights into strategies for promoting cognitive longevity. 2. Stress, aging, and telomeres, the impact of chronic stress on aging. Scientific evidence suggests that chronic stress can accelerate the aging process at a cellular level. Telomeres, protective caps at the end of chromosomes, shorten with age and stress. Shortened telomeres are associated with a higher risk of age-related diseases and a decreased lifespan. Stress management emerges as a crucial factor in preserving telomere length and mitigating the effects of aging. The role of cortisol in inflammation. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone linked to the body's fight-or-flight response. Prolonged elevation of cortisol levels contributes to inflammation, a process implicated in various chronic diseases associated with aging, including cardiovascular issues and arthritis. Scientific investigations into stress reduction techniques offer valuable insights into modulating these pathways. 3. Integrative approaches for healthy aging. Sleep hygiene and longevity. Practical strategies for improving sleep hygiene play a pivotal role in promoting healthy aging. Scientifically supported recommendations encompass creating a consistent sleep schedule, optimizing sleep environments, and adopting relaxation techniques to enhance sleep quality. Stress reduction techniques and longevity. Scientifically validated stress reduction techniques, including mindfulness, meditation, and yoga, have shown promise in promoting overall well-being and extending lifespan. Exploring the neural and physiological mechanisms through which these practices influence stress response sheds light on their potential as integral components of anti-aging strategies. In conclusion, the scientific exploration of sleep, stress, and longevity unveils intricate connections that underscore the importance of holistic approaches to aging well. By understanding the mechanisms at play, individuals can make informed lifestyle choices that positively impact sleep quality, stress management, and ultimately contribute to a longer and healthier life. As research advances, ongoing discoveries in this field will likely provide further insights into effective interventions for promoting successful aging. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts.